Are you not satisfied with the level of income or wealth or money in your bank account? Does it suck? Like, oh man, like you're frustrated. You want to buy that nice thing that you always wanted, but you don't have the money. Welcome to another episode on this YouTube channel. My name is Harjot, and I am so happy to hear you out, or maybe have you here. My bad. Anyways, today's topic is how to make more money. And the only way you're going to do this, make more money, is to have fun. Like genuinely just have fun in your life. Follow your passions, follow your heart, do what you want, do what is fun to you, and see how you can monetize that. There's a lot of strategies, obviously, that it's going to require knowledge and skill sets that you're going to have to, learn and develop to become the person that can make more money or actually monetize your own dreams and passions, which you can. Links in the description, by the way, is to a community that is all about making more money, getting better, getting the results you want, and just living your dream life and achieving your goals and networking and meeting new people and making new friends and just having lots of fun. Come in, there's a 30-day free trial. And when you are in, you will have 7 days to hop on a one-on-one onboarding call with me or maybe somebody in the team to just really maximize the entirety of the community and how to get wins out of it, all right? And also, I'm super excited about this week's poker games. So when you're in the community, we do have poker games every single week, and it's just so fun coming together, getting to play with people, and it's just fun. Anyways, how to make money is simply just doing what you love, all right? I know a lot of entrepreneurs and a lot of people that make a lot of money, but they're not doing what they want. And it is my experience that they make a lot of money. And you can do the same, actually. If you are in that place where, you are in survival mode, full-on survival mode, like you need money to pay the bills this month, man, fuck your passions, fuck your dreams, fuck your desires, go make that money. Find whatever job, whatever gig you can find that can make you the most amount of money, because right now you're just in that phase where your brain's just not gonna work. You're just not going to able to follow your passion and your dreams because your brain's just too much tied down with the money. You want the money now. And it's just not going to work. So if you're in that place, what I suggest is go out, find the thing that makes the most money right here, right now. It is what it is. It is what it is. But if you're in a place where, you can say you're a little relaxed, you're not worried about every month's bills. Maybe you have a stable job and you got some savings and investments, and maybe, you're just kind of drifting in life, maybe. Dude, it's time to follow your passions, man. Follow your heart. I know lots of entrepreneurs that made money doing what they don't love, but it made a lot of money. Like that business just made a lot of money, so they just did it. The biggest trap with that is that when you start doing that, I also know a lot of CEOs and like high-level executive position people in like big firms and corporate letters and like high in the corporate ladder. And they make a lot of money, like too much money. But the problem with them is they hate their life. They hate their job. They're working so much and they hate it. And they're trapped. They're trapped because the money is too good. And they can't quit. They've got too much overhead expense. They live in a nice fancy apartment. They've racked up expenses. And so they got to make the money they're making from that title or the job or the position that they have or the business that they started. And they're just kind of stuck with it and they hate it. And if I'm being true to this topic's title, like how to make more money, I guess that would be it. Go out and fucking bust your ass. Do anything that makes the most amount of money, even if you hate it. And that's how you're gonna make money. And yeah, that's the advice, but I don't want that for you. I don't want that for anybody. And I feel bad for the people that are in that place because now they're trapped, they're stuck. It's like, I don't know where I heard this, but they said like, your paycheck is the payment they give you to steal your dreams. I mean, I'm butchering the whole quote, but it's something like that. It's something that goes like that. It's like the paycheck is more addictive than cocaine itself, than hard drugs. So, if you're really not in that place of like you need money right here, right now, and like your life depends on it, okay, fine. Like if that's the case, do whatever it takes. Find a method that makes the most amount of money and start saving that shit up so that you can actually start working on what you do love and are passionate about. And then, you might be making less money from something that you truly love and truly enjoy and you're very happy with, but you're happy. That's success, man. That's success. Like this is not a money competition, like who's making more money. Like it doesn't matter shit. It doesn't matter shit. Like do what you love and make enough money to be able to do whatever you want, live below your means, save more, invest more, learn new skills, and you're going to make more money. The best way to do that is to really be part of a community, be part of people, hire coaches, pay mentors that can deliver you the results, that can get you the strategies, the systems that you need to get the results you want. Links in the description, by the way. The community is awesome. I can't promote it enough. But yeah, follow your heart, follow your dreams, love what you do and do what you love, and figure out a way to monetize it and make money from it. And you're just gonna have the best life of your life. And you have one life, I know a lot of youngsters, they love the YOLO thing, like YOLO, and then they say YOLO and they go parties and clubbing and just getting all messed up. Well, it's true, but let's not be stupid like them and make those rash and stupid decisions. Instead, let's YOLO, like you only live once. Let me follow my passions, let me follow my dreams. Let me figure out how I can make money doing what I love. Let me be around people who are all doing the same thing. Links in the description, by the way. And that's how you're gonna get more money. That's how you're gonna make more money. It's by genuinely doing what you love, because then you will be able to do that thing for the rest of your life. And when you can do that on a consistent basis, that's all money is. That's all anything is. Results is just a result of consistency. Consistently doing the right things lead to consistently getting the right results, which means consistently making money from doing what you love. And so that's it for today's episode. Just be consistent, do what you love, figure out how to make money from doing what you love, be around people that are doing the same thing, and also know maybe how to make money from doing what they love, and they're already doing it, and maybe they might give you some ideas. Links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.